The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2025 Volvo XC40 with flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo base rack system in silver. Black is also available. This uses the 47-inch long WingBar Evo load bars, the flush rail foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle-specific fitting kit 186010. So the overall weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds evenly distributed. The crossbars can be mounted along the length of the flush side rails. So a great rack for different types of gear like bikes, kayaks, cargo, and much more. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.